Hello everyone in the world. This is Trip Samurai. Today I would like to tell you about my first trip to Pattaya. Please follow the channel and press the like button. Today we came to Pattaya for a Thai cooking class. 3 comedians will be cooking some food. What kind of food will you be able to make? Please look forward to it. First of all, I have to prepare the food. I have to wash my hands because I went to the bathroom earlier lol. You shouldn't cook with your hands like that, but it might be delicious lol. To prepare a meal, you need to buy plates, frying pans, and other ingredients. Start from step 1. Where do you go to buy ingredients? I don't know either lol. I think the market we're going to go to from now on is probably this one. I'll show you the map. Everyone, please go and see it. It's a very nice market. There's a lot of fish and a lot of vegetables. And there's a lot of smiling faces. I laughed too. Let's go inside the market. Markets are exciting, aren't they? I love markets. If possible, I wouldn't want to be a fish. Lol. The market is very wide. Look, motorcycles are also included. It's okay to walk, but if I'm distracted, I'll get hit by a motorcycle, so be careful. What do you want to eat in Pattaya? I'm not good at spicy food, so I guess it's ramen lol. What kind of Thai food do you think of? It's hard for me, but he loves tom yum goong. What about you? I also like fried chicken. You can also eat this in Japan lol. Well, he wants to eat som tam salad. However, she doesn't like som tam because it has crab in it. Everyone in Thailand loves som tam with crab, right? I also eat it sometimes. However, fermented crab is rare in Japan. What comes to mind when you think of fermented foods in Japan? That's right, it's natto. I'm sure you all don't like natto either. Can you recognize miso as a fermented food? That's right. Miso for miso ramen. This is also a fermented food. We ferment soybeans. It's the same as natto. However, Japan doesn't have a culture of fermenting fish or crab, so I don't really get used to it. Did you understand? Lol. That's right, everyone. Which country do you like? I'm really in love with Thailand. Thai people are very kind, calm and friendly. I don't speak Thai though. Lol. Recently, she came to Bangkok from Japan because she loves Pattaya, and then she takes a bus to Pattaya. It's about 2 hours long. The sea is beautiful and I like it very much. I envy you all. You can come to Pattaya every day. I would sleep by the sea in Pattaya every day lol. Then he becomes a dog. He often sleeps in 7-Eleven lol. Oops. They talk so much that I don't know what to buy lol. Well, since everyone is buying it, it's okay. I wander from place to place. Please don't say that I'm just like your husband. Lol. There were lots of live fish for sale. It's so rich. As it is by the sea, it is a fish from the sea. Then there's shrimp, crab, octopus, squid, and many more. It's easy to keep an eye on it. But I don't want to be a fish. Because it looks painful lol. Are you done shopping? I completely slacked off. I'm also drinking Chong beer. Do you also like Chong beer? I also like Singa and I like Chong beer. Well, I like all Thai beers. Lol. Everyone. Have you ever tried Japanese beer? Asahi beer is famous in Thailand. I like Ebisu beer. If you can find Ebisu beer at the supermarket, try it. My face is on the label. Lol. Looks like we're almost done shopping. Now let's go back to the kitchen studio. Everyone, please come with us. Please take this opportunity to follow our channel. I was completely angry, but I was given a ride in the car. I thought I was the only one going by Songtao, but it's okay. Lol. Please try not to slack off too much. You shouldn't drink beer in the morning lol. Now that we have prepared the ingredients, it's time to start cooking. What should I make first? Somtam first? Or tom yum goong? Well, please keep watching. Everyone, do you like cooking? Maybe you specialize in eating? I'm an eating expert lol. But it's a very creative and fun time. I think cooking in a kitchen studio like this with friends is the ultimate luxury. Let's cook a lot of food and eat enough for a year lol. Come to think of it, the teacher this time was very kind to me. Because he looked like a woman. I like real women, but I don't like men a little. But she was a very cute person. Maybe I'll fall in love next time lol. Thai food is very spicy, but you get used to it as you eat it. However, the first week was very difficult for me as a Japanese person. However, after a month, your tongue gets used to it and it doesn't taste good unless it's spicy. Could I also become Thai? I love Thai people. That's why I try my best to eat spicy food. Please come and try Japanese cuisine. The reason why I'm talking like this is because I wasn't allowed to cook. I'm the cameraman this time lol. So, I can talk to you like this without having to cook. It was pretty successful. Curry maybe? Or tom yum kung? Curry is also very delicious. I also love the phu pat pong curry with crab. Yellow curry, red curry, green curry, I really love Thai curry. I want to be curry lol. The dishes have been prepared one after another. The teacher is very good at explaining and talking. But she's an older sister, so she's very charming. The way he teaches is so thorough that we can enjoy cooking as well. There are many cooking classes in Pattaya, so why not give them a try? Lol. It smelled very nice. My stomach is also growling. When you smell a delicious scent, your appetite increases. Maybe you're getting hungry too? What do you think? Would you like to join us? Well, I'm not the one making it. Lol. Please bring lots of beer when you come. You don't have to drink. I'll drink it lol. By the way, I also love Thai whiskey. There are many different types of whiskey. However, Thai women drink a lot of whiskey and get drunk and try to hook up with me, which is really annoying for her lol. What about you? Please don't get drunk and mess with me lol. I really like Mekong whiskey and Hantan. I hope she treats me when she sees me lol. By the way, I have a question for people in Thailand. Do you really love spicy food? Is there anyone who doesn't like it? Sometimes I see Thai people eating food that looks very spicy. At times like that, maybe that person doesn't like spicy food? I think so, but is it painful? When I asked her, she said with tears in her eyes that it wasn't painful, so I don't really understand lol. Please let me know. We look forward to your comments. Please subscribe to the channel if you like. How was it? It's almost time to say goodbye. Don't you all want to break up with me? Lol. We will be broadcasting a video from Pattaya next time, so please take a look. I have many videos, but they are all in Japanese. You can watch it with subtitles, so please use YouTube subtitles. However, we will be adding subtitles like this from now on, so please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. My beloved Thai people. Well then, goodbye. See you again. Bye bye.